Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you how to make orange mango twist mocktail. First of all, take a tall glass, then you have to add 60 ml of orange juice and you have to add 20 to 30 ml of mango crush. Then you have to squeeze on lemon.
After that, take a fresh lemon and you have to squeeze the lemon. After that, this is very simple and refreshment mocktail you can try. Then you have to add some ice cube into the glass, shaker glass or any tall glass. Then simply you have to fill the glass with Fanta. Then stir all the ingredients with the help of bar spoon. Just mix all the ingredients. After that, fill the glass with Fanta. Simply fill the glass. After that, just add 10 to 15 ml of blue cocoa syrup. See, your mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.